This is a 2018 Boston Whaler 15-foot Montauk, which is a center console model. It's powered by a 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke command thrust outboard. The boat is equipped with a fishing package, which includes a compass, 4 console-mounted rod holders, a 36-quart ice cooler with a cushioned seat and a console-mounted backrest, and 2 tackle drawers built into the console. It also has a blue Sunbrella console cover and a separate cover for the reversible pilot seat. The package also includes a galvanized single-axle trailer.